it's us again, me and my wonderful, beautiful white cat. Today we're gonna be talking about the fauna of Lake Baikal. This is an illustration of Lake Baikal in my big book. It says Lake Baikal. The animals of Lake Baikal have been surprising scientists for many years with their diversity. There are more 2,500 of them. Some of them are really unique and they live only on Lake Baikal. So, the Baikal seal. This representative of the animals of Lake Baikal is the most famous endemic of this lake. The seal is the main symbol of these places. It's interesting, but to this day, scientists don't know how the seal settled on Lake Baikal. According to the most popular version, the seal came from the Arctic Ocean during the Ice Age. It's worth noting that the seal is the only Baikal mammal. To get fish, they dive deep under the water, more than 150 meters. They can be there from 20 to 30 minutes. The seal is a unique creature because it can terminate its pregnancy on its own if it understands that there are no appropriate conditions for raising offspring. Snow leopards. The second name of this beautiful animal is ibis. Without a doubt, this is the most mysterious representative of the local fauna. Yes, this is a very rare animal. On the local territory, there are no more than 50 individuals. The snow leopard is a predator, but it had never attacked the person because it's afraid of humans. As for hunting, it's very difficult to catch this powerful beast. Dropsy. This small animal belongs to the class of hamsters. It was called Dropsy because of its desire to settle near the water, the rivers, the lakes. There are many of them on Lake Baikal. Dropsy is one of the most widespread rodents in Russia, which can be found in almost any region. The body length of an individual is up to 30 centimeters. A special feature of this small animal is its small ears, which because of large dense fur, it's almost impossible to see them, these little ears. Despite the cute and funny appearance, Dropsy is considered a pest, since during high water it prefers to settle in gardens and dig deep holes there. Muskrats. This funny animal belongs to the class of semi-aquatic rodents. A muskrat is smaller than a beaver, despite the fact that the muskrat is for a long time in the water, it practically does not freeze. This is due to the special fur that does not get wet. Each of the animal's limbs has several small webs. This allows it to swim well and move quickly in the water. By the way, an important role in water movement is played by the tail, which muskrat, like many other rodents, can use as a rudder. This is a unique animal that plays a role of the architect in nature. Muskrat builds two-story dwellings in case the water rises. They often build additional rooms, which they use as storerooms, and they store their food for the winter. To enter such a hut, the animal have to dive under the water and then it will get into his little hut. A sandpiper! This is a small and very beautiful bird that lives on Baikal. The feature of a sandpiper is its thin straight bill, which is much shorter than that of the other birds. It's also distinguished from other birds by its long, thin fingers. Thanks to the special structure of its legs, the bird moves very quickly on the ground. Therefore, tourists often see little running waders, sandpipers on the shore of Lake Baikal, and they confuse them with other little running animals. So, I hope it was interesting for you to hear, to listen about this 5 endemics of Lake Baikal. The fauna of Lake Baikal is very diverse. So, peace and love. Peace and love. Bye.